Hi, I'm Anne. I'm back with another makeup tutorial of one of Taeyeon's makeup looks in her weekend music video. The focus of the look is the three pastel-coloured eyeshadows, which reminds me of candy floss. It's a fun, flirty look that's not too difficult to do despite how it looks. I already have my foundation on, so we'll be starting with my eyebrows. I'm using the light brown shade from the Gloss Brow Kit to fill in my eyebrows. I'm making them thick and straight to match Taeyeon's eyebrows. I'm using the Technic Brow Gel to lighten my brow hairs. Next, I'm applying this cool pink shade from MUA Makeup Academy Professional Eyeshadow Palette in Poptastic, and applying that to the front half of my eyelid. Then I'm taking Crusade from the Revolution Pro Regeneration Eyeshadow Palette trends in Mischief Matte, and applying that from the middle of my eyelid to the end of my eyebrow, blending it with the pink. I'm also applying it to the outer third of my lower lash line. With an angled brush, I'm dabbing on the shade New Day underneath the blue eyeshadow. I'm using Etude House Tear Eyeliner on the inner corner of my eye and underneath the front third of my lower lash line, also known as the Aegosal if you're already familiar with Korean makeup. Next, I'll be using KVD Beauty Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black and applying it along my upper lash line. I'm drawing a very small wing and not extending it much beyond my actual eye shape. Then I'll be curling my eyelashes. I'm using the Intense Black Eyeliner pen from Barry M to line my upper waterline. Once that's done, I'm applying the Innisfree Skinny and Jumbo Dual Cara on my upper and lower eyelashes. I'll be contouring my face with Art Class by Rodin from Too Cool for School. I'm starting with the lighter brown shade on my nose and just contouring the full length. Then I'm taking the darker brown shade to contour specific areas I want to deepen. Then taking a big fluffy brush, I'm using the darker brown to contour the sides of my face. For the blush, I'm using Etude House Lovely Cookie Blusher in Peach Parfait. I'm applying this with gentle pats to a large section of my cheeks, just to add a subtle hint of colour. I got these flat-backed pearls online. I'll put a link in the description below. I'm applying a dot of false eyelash glue to the flat side, then sticking one pearl under the arch of my eyebrow and another one above the end of my eyebrow. Taking the light brown shade from my contour palette, I'm lightly applying this under my eye bag. For the lips, I'm using Etude House Cherry Sweet Colour Lip Balm in BE101. I'm finishing it off with a reddish lip gloss. And here's the final look. I'm terrible with hair, so all I've done is put it into a simple bun. I love how sweet and colourful this looks. The eye makeup is so eye-catching without looking too heavy. I think it would still look great without these stuck-on pearls. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and check out my other makeup tutorials. Thank you for watching.